Today, on this summer Sunday afternoon, I made a lunch that not only satisfied my taste buds but also supported my Vata and Pitta doshas. It was a perfect combination of beet roti or tortilla with the mung beans, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds chutney, along with a refreshing plum chutney. The beet roti that was grounding and nourishing made the foundation of my meal as beetroots are known to balance vata. It gave a satisfying and wholesome base to my meal. To complement it, I made mung beans to add the protein and satisfy my pitta, while flax seeds and sunflower seeds added healthy fats and micronutrients to my lunch. To add a chatpata or tangy touch to my meal, I made a plum chutney. Plums are a cooling fruit and thus satisfied my pitta. I made it by simmering with spices like cumin and a touch of sweetness from jaggery. I never use honey to sweeten my cooked foods. Each bite felt nourishing and nurturing my body and mind.